എല്ലാവർക്കും ഫോക്കസ് സ്റ്റാർ PSCയിലേക്ക് സ്വാഗതം. എക്സലിൻ്റെ ഒരു റിവിഷനാണ് ഈ ക്ലാസ് കൊണ്ട് ഉദ്ദേശിക്കുന്നത്. ഇപ്പോൾ ഇതിൽ പ്രീവിയസ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് വരുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ ഒന്നിൽ കൂടുതൽ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പേഴ്സ് നിർത്തിയിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. എക്സൽ മുഴുവൻ കംപ്ലീറ്റ് ആവുന്ന രീതിയിലുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ തീർച്ചയായിട്ടും വീഡിയോ മുഴുവനായിട്ട് കാണാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ശ്രമിക്കുക. അതുപോലെ തന്നെ ഞാൻ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ വായിക്കുമ്പം ആൻസർ എന്താണെന്നുള്ളത് കണ്ടുപിടിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ശ്രമിക്കുക. ഒന്നില്ലെങ്കിൽ എഴുതി വെക്കുക, ഇല്ലെങ്കിൽ നിങ്ങളത് ആൻസർ പറയുമ്പോൾ അത് ശരിയാണോ എന്നുള്ളത് നോക്കുക. ഓക്കെ. First question, which spreadsheet software is most suitable for preparing balance sheet? Which spreadsheet software is most suitable for preparing balance sheet? Answer option B ആണ് MS Excel. To create a multiplication table in Excel, dash command is used. To create a multiplication table in Excel, dash command is used. Answer option D ആണ് function. Which view in Excel displays the pages exactly as they appear when printed? Which view in Excel displays the pages exactly as they appear when printed? Answer option D, page layout view. In Excel, the shortcut key used to generate bar graph from a range of values. In Excel, the shortcut key used to generate bar graph from a range of values. Answer option B, F11 ആണ്. Another name of the scatter chart is called. Another name of the scatter chart is called. Answer option C, XY chart. Which one is not used as spreadsheet software? Which one is not used as spreadsheet software? Answer option C, Keynote ആണ്. The maximum number of characters an Excel cell can contain. The maximum number of characters an Excel cell can contain. Answer option A, 32767. The chart which illustrates comparisons among individual items. The chart which illustrates comparisons among individual items. Answer option D, bar chart. Updating the values of formula cells if auto calculate mode of MS Excel is disabled by. Updating the values of formula cells if auto calculate mode of MS Excel is disabled by. Answer option B, F9 ആണ്. In Excel, the function key used to enter edit mode. In Excel, the function key used to enter edit mode. Answer option C, F2. The shortcut key used to select the current row in an Excel. The shortcut key used to select the current row in an Excel. Answer option D ആണ് shift plus space bar. The option will find the right input when you know the result you want in Excel. The option you will find the right input when you know the result you want in Excel. Answer option D ആണ് goal seek. When you enter data in a cell in Excel, it also appears in the. When you enter data in a cell in Excel, it also appears in the. Answer option D, formula bar ആണ്. To select an entire column in Excel, use. To select an entire column in Excel, use. Answer option A ആണ് control plus space bar. Cell B12 on sheet 2 can be referred from sheet 1 like. Cell B12 on sheet 2 can be referred from sheet 1 like. Answer option A ആണ് sheet 2 exclamation mark B12. In Excel, a valid cell address is like. In Excel, a valid cell address is like. Answer option A ആണ് A10. Excel displays the address of the active cell in. Excel displays the address of the active cell in. Answer option D ആണ് name box. A valid range of cells in Excel is like. A valid range of cells in Excel is like. Answer option B ആണ് A1 is to A10. The feature of MS Excel quickly completes a series of data. The feature of MS Excel quickly completes a series of data. Answer option B ആണ് autofill. Which function displays current date and time in MS Excel? Which function displays current date and time in MS Excel? Answer option C ആണ് now. Dash is known as Excel file. Dash is known as Excel file. Answer option B, workbook ആണ്. The basic storage unit for a spreadsheet file is. The basic storage unit for a spreadsheet file is. Answer option B, workbook. In a table, data are arranged in. In a table, data are arranged in. Answer option D, row and column. Individual spreadsheet file is known as. Individual spreadsheet file is known as. Answer option A, worksheet. Dash are vertical markers in the worksheet and are denoted by alphabet. Dash are vertical markers in the worksheet and are denoted by the alphabet. Answer option B ആണ് columns. Shortcut key for help is. Shortcut key for help is. Answer option A, F1. Dash are horizontal markers uh, in the worksheet and are denoted by alphabet alla numbers ആണ്. Okay. Dash are the horizontal markers in the worksheet and are denoted by numbers. ഏതാണ്? Answer option A, rows ആണ്. Dash are the single box that you get where the column and row intersect. Dash are the single box that you get where the column and row intersect. Answer option C, cells ആണ്. Dash is the cell's name. Cellന്റെ name എന്താണ്? Answer option D, cell reference. The cell reference can be found in the. The cell reference can be found in the. Answer option C, toolbar. Rows and columns in MS Excel 2003 is. Answer option A, 65, 536 and 256. Rows and columns in MS Excel 2007 is. Answer option D ആണ് 10, 48, 576, 16, 384. A cell is labeled with. Answer option C, both A and B. Which key is used for navigation through cells? Which key is used for navigation through cells? Answer option A, tab key. To replace data in a cell. To replace data in a cell. Answer option B, click the specific cell and type the new data. To edit data in a cell. To edit data in a cell. Answer option A, double click in the cell and type additional data. You can enter dash types of data in a spreadsheet. You can enter dash type of data in a spreadsheet. Answer option B, 3 ആണ്. You can enter dash type of data in a spreadsheet. Answer option D, all of the above ആണ്. Text, numbers, formulas and functions. Ribbon in Excel is organized into. Ribbon in Excel is organized into. Answer option D, tab ആണ്. Each tab is organized into series of. Answer option B, groups ആണ്. Inside each group is a set of. Answer option A, command buttons. A small diagonal arrow in the bottom right corner of group that are called. A small diagonal arrow in the bottom right corner of group that are called. Answer option C, dialog box launcher. There are dash groups in home tab. There are dash groups in home tab. Answer option C, 7 ആണ്. Shortcut key used to copy contents of the cell is. Shortcut key used to copy contents of cell is. Answer option B ആണ്, Ctrl plus C. Shortcut key used to cut contents of a cell is. Answer option C, Ctrl plus X. Shortcut key used to paste contents of a cell is. Answer option A, Ctrl plus V. Format painter option available in the. Format painter option available in the. Answer option A, home tab clipboard group. What is the maximum number of times including graphics can be pasted in a clipboard? What is the maximum number of times including graphics can be pasted in a clipboard? Answer option B ആണ് 24. Bold, italicize, underline, etc. are available in. Bold, italicize, underline, etc. are available in. Answer option B ആണ് home tabലെ font group. Using the dash in Excel 2007, you can control the position and layout of text in your worksheet. Using the dash in Excel 2007, you can control the position and layout of text in your worksheet. Answer option D, home tab alignment group. Dash is a feature used to join the selected cells to cell to a larger cell and centers the content in the new cell. Dash is a feature used to join the selected cell to larger cell and centers the content in the new cell. Answer option C, merge and center. Dash feature makes all content visible within a cell by displaying it on multiple lines. Dash feature makes all content visible within a cell by displaying it on multiple lines. Answer option D, wrap text. Using Dash in Excel 2007, we have the option to change actual formatting for our data. Using Dash in Excel 2007, we have the option to change actual formatting for our data. Answer option B, number group. Conditional formatting, cell styles and format as table. Option available in. Answer option C, styles group. You can insert rows, columns, cells, rows and columns by using. Answer option C, both A and B. Home tabൽ in cells groupum, insert tabum. Default font in MS Excel 2007 is. Answer option B, Calibri. Default font size in MS Excel 2007 is. Answer option B, 11. Dash is another way of increasing the font size. Answer option B, increase font size. Dash use the shortcut for decreasing the font size. Answer option A, decrease font size. Dash is the command used to coloring the background of the selected cell. Dash is the command used to coloring the background of the selected cell. Answer option B, fill color. Dash use this tool to change the text color. Dash use this tool to change the text color. Answer option A, font color. Dash is the default alignment in Excel 2007. Answer option C, bottom align. Dash command decreases the margin between the cell border and the text in the cell. Answer option A, decrease indent. Dash command increases the margin between the cell border and the text in the cell. Answer option B, increase indent. Use this command to rotate selected text to a diagonal or vertical angle orientation. Answer option A, orientation. Shortcut key used to apply the percentage format to the selected cell is. Answer option B, Control plus Shift plus percentage symbol. Dash displays the contents of the cell with 1000 separator. Dash displays the contents of the cell with the 1000 separator. Answer option B, comma style. Dash is used to show more precise values by showing more decimal places. Answer option A, increase decimal. Dash is used to show more precise values by showing fewer decimal places. Answer option B, decrease decimal. For columns, Excel inserts new columns to the. Answer option A, left of the selection. For rows, Excel inserts new rows to the. Answer option B, right of the selection. Some option available in the. Answer option D, home tab editing group. Dash is used to distribute a pattern into one or more adjacent cells. Answer option B, fill. Dash command clears everything from the cell or selectively removes the formatting, the contents or the comments. Answer option A, clear. Dash is used to arrange data so that it is easier to analyze. Answer option C, sort and filter. Dash is used for finding and selecting specific text, formatting or type of information you want from within the worksheet. Answer option D, find and select. The use of the dash option to replace the information with new text or formatting. Answer option B, replace. Extension of Excel Workbook 2007 .xlsx. These are used to summarize and organize complicated data. Rows and columns can be interchanged. Answer option A, pivot table. Types of shapes available in MS Excel 2007 is. Answer option D, all of these. Dash automatically creates a column chart. Answer option C, F11. Dash chart is used to visually compare values across a few categories. Answer option C, column chart. Dash charts are used to show trends for categories over a period of time such as days, months or years. Answer option D, line chart. Charts are used to display the contribution of each item to the total. Answer option B, pie chart. Dash charts are best chart type for comparing multiple values. Answer option A, bar chart. Dash chart emphasizes differences between several sets of data over a period of time. Answer option D, area chart. Dash charts compare pairs of values. Answer option A, scatter chart. Scatter charts are also known as. Answer option B, XY charts. Which of the following is only visible when the chart is selected? Answer option D, all of the above. Dash command will rotate the data displayed on X and Y axis. Answer option C, rotate. Change chart type, switch row or column data, change chart layout, change chart style, move chart command are available in. Answer option A, decide. The range of cells that make up a chart is called. Answer option B, source data. The title of the chart is called. Answer option A, title. The chart key, which identifies what each color on the chart represents, is. Answer option D, legend. The vertical and horizontal part of chart is called. Answer option C, axis. The vertical axis of graph is often referred to as. Answer option C, y-axis. The horizontal axis of graph is often referred to as. Answer option B ആണ് x-axis. The actual charted values, which are usually rows or columns of the source data, is called. Answer option D, data series. The axis represents the value or units of the source data is called. Answer option B, value axis. The axis identifying each data series is called. Answer option C, category axis. Dash is used to create link to a web page or a picture, a file, an email address or another program. Answer option B, hyperlink. Keyboard shortcut to create a hyperlink is called. Answer option A ആണ് Ctrl+K. In Office 2007, you can also create a text box by using the dash feature on the Home tab. Answer option C ആണ് paste as picture. Dash tool helps you to insert decorative text to your document. Answer option B, word art. Dash tab enables you to change margins, page size and orientation, define your print areas at page breaks and specify which rows and columns will print on each page and so on. Answer option A, page layout. Dash are used to change the overall design of the entire document, including colors, fonts and effects. Answer option B, themes. Dash specify where a new page will begin in the printed copy. Answer option B, breakdown. Dash makes numbers in columns or rows easier to read or edit. Answer option A, grid lines. Cell references of last cell in Excel 2007 is. Answer option A, XFT 1048 576. Okay. അപ്പോൾ ഇത്രയും ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ആണ് വരുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ എല്ലാ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസും മനസ്സിലായെന്ന് വിചാരിക്കുന്നു. താങ്ക്സ് ഫോർ വാച്ചിങ്. ഹാവ് എ നൈസ് ഡേ.